Moving on to the types of gold investments available. Another physical gold investment is through gold bars. Let us take a closer look at gold bars. It comes in a variety of shapes and sizes. What's more, buying gold bars in bulk saves a lot of money compared to gold coins. It is also available in multiple weight, from 1 ounce to 100 and 400 troy ounces. There are two kinds of gold bars, cast bars and minted bars. Cast bars are basically molded bars. Gold metal is heated until it turns into a liquid. This gold will then be poured into molds of varying size and weights. A cast bar retains its originality because no two molded bars are the same due to the abnormalities it will get once it's liquidated. It is also inexpensive because it requires minimal processing to mold one. However, a cast bar lacks appeal due to its minimalist and rough design. On the other hand, a minted bar is originally a cast bar that has been polished, cleaned, and dried. A minted bar contains intricate details on them, and it is valued amongst investors. Its popularity will secure sellers and ensures profit to your investment. However, minted bars contain premium, thus contributing to its expensive price. Plus, most minted bars are contained in their own package. Opening them may devalue their worth. Regardless of your choice, it is necessary that you buy gold bars from recognized hallmark with 99.99% purity of gold. The recommended gold bars are Australian Perth Mint, Pamp Suisse, Credit Suisse, and Johnson Matthey. Here is the list of prices for cast bar and a mint bar at my period of research. A cast bar costs around $1,274.25 per troy ounce, while a minted bar costs approximately $1,293.20 per troy ounce. Like gold coins, there are multiple certified places you can visit to purchase your very own gold bars: jewelry shops, banks, and gold bullion dealers.